Are you running around, scrolling on your phone, wishing for a quiet escape? Up here in northern Michigan, the pace slows, the trees speak, and somewhere between Petoskey and a perfect pancake, you find yourself. Welcome to the Birdhouse, your northern Michigan reset. Out front, a pair of sky-high red cedar Adirondack chairs and a perch-perfect table invite you to sit above the bustle, until you forget what time even is. The Birdhouse, where families nest. Inside, you won't find stress. You'll find cozy couches, soft blankets, books, and the kind of quiet that makes you question your entire Wi-Fi addiction. Mornings here begin with coffee, birdsong, and pancakes that taste like someone spent a little more time on them. There's no rush, no dress code, just maple syrup and second helpings. For the little ones, this is Narnia with Wi-Fi on vacation. Below the nest, the Birdhouse hides a secret playground. Pillows become castles, giggles echo like thunder, and gravity takes a 12-second vacation. They play for hours without video games and screens. Downstairs, the Birdhouse becomes mission control for family fun. Quiet corners for reading books, puzzles of Michigan and Nub's Knob, and enough toys and board games to outlast a rainy day marathon. And when the stars come out, the fire crackles. Stories are shared, marshmallows are burnt, and you remember what matters most. It's the little things here. A local gift, the warmth, the feeling that someone thought about you before you arrived. And when adventure calls, you're minutes away from a drive through the tunnel of trees, Petoskey stones, ski hills, ice cream, and fudge. Because sometimes, the best vacations are the ones where you don't do it all. You just nest. Liked what you saw? Give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and follow along for more northern Michigan magic from the Birdhouse.